Hi gems, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do a Russian manicure for beginners. This is my first time coming on this camera without any nails on, so let's get into it. All the implements that come across the screen is the ones that you're going to need to complete the Russian manicure. So I'm going to tell y'all a few benefits of a Russian manicure. Russian manicure is like a spa day for your cuticles. The number one benefit of a Russian manicure is the care and exfoliation of your cuticles. It's very detailed. Secondly, getting all that dead skin and all that cuticle from around your nail plate, it makes your nail plate appear longer. And longer nail plates are considered beautiful. Thirdly, the most important, especially if you're going to be having any type of extensions or any type of artificial nail put on like acrylic, is the retention. Your retention is going to be immaculate, plus including the prep that the tech does. Now that I'm done explaining all the benefits of a Russian manicure or the purpose of a Russian manicure, and y'all seeing the implements go across the screen, let's get into it. You're going to start off by cutting your nails to the desired length or filing them. I ended up filing mine later on down the line, but you can honestly clip and file them now before you even start because you just want to have that out the way. Using a straight edge clipper is the best way to go. It's going to give you the most blunt and straight cut when clipping your nails. I would not advise rounding your corners of your nails, just to leave them straight, because rounding them can cause the skin and debris to get stuck in your sidewalls, and it's going to cause it to be very uncomfortable. So I think when clipping nails, you should just do it straight across, and you could go in with the file and clean up the little blunt cuts or any little jagged edges of the nail. But rounding it, no. Using your cuticle pusher, all you're going to do is push back your cuticles, aka your eponychium. I know most people call the eponychium cuticles because I guess that's what they're most familiar with, but no, your cuticle is on the nail plate. Your eponychium is the skin around the base of your nail plate. Pushing that back is going to expose your nail plate and the cuticle that's on the nail plate. Using the opposite side of your cuticle pusher, the pointy part, you can go in and lift up your eponychium a little bit at the base if you're too scared to go straight in with the drill, because I understand that drill can be intimidating. Going in with your needle bit, you're just going to place it parallel to the nail and start going under your eponychium. Lift it up as much as you can. Don't hurt yourself now, but lift it up as much as you can and exfoliate the sides. Get all in there, because sometimes it be hard, and pull up any of those hangnails, because I know I be having them. Using any manicure brush that you have, you want to brush everything towards the client. Well, I'm doing it on myself, but brush it backwards. Once you lift it up as much as you can, you're going to go back in with the same bit, but you're going to turn it kind of sideways at an angle so you could be able to roll up all that dead skin, and you could tell the difference between the dead skin and the live skin. The dead skin is going to be white. The live skin is obviously going to be the same color as you. Don't cut the live skin. And I did alternate switching my drill from backwards to forwards depending on what side I was working on, to make it way easier and you wouldn't be struggling trying to get to the other side of the nail. If you have too much debris that builds up on the nail, you can go ahead and dust the nail off with your manicure brush. And throughout this whole process, you do not have to apply a lot of pressure. It should not hurt. After you're finished with that, you should definitely be able to tell the difference between the dead skin and the live skin, as you can see. And honestly, I do not even have that much to trim because my nails weren't that bad. So I'm just going to take my file and just shape them up a bit, which I should have did this in the beginning. But hey, you live and you learn. Now that we can see everything clear as day, I'm going to get a little closer for y'all so I can explain this to y'all. Y'all can see the difference between the dead skin and the live skin. What I have to clip is that white skin around my nail. I'm not clipping nothing else besides that white skin. And I'm not really clipping it. I'm just trimming it because it's so little. But with that, all you're going to do is go in with the tip of your nippers. Just a tip. You don't need the whole thing because this is really not a lot of skin. So just be really careful and take your time with doing it. There are always these stubborn little hangnails on my nails. It's such a pest. Using my ball bit, I'm just going to go ahead and go in and exfoliate those areas where I just nipped. Because you want to clean up all that dead skin. You don't want to leave any residue left. And I have to go back in and get the rest of these deep hangnails that I have on the sides of my nails. Yo, it's just so aggravating. It's just like a thorn. in, I'm just going to buff all my nails to prepare them for my gel polish. But if you plan on putting on an artificial nail or acrylic, you can honestly could just go after this. You could just go ahead in with your prep and start dehydrating nails, filing them, whatever you're going to do. But since I'm not doing that, y'all, I'm giving my nails a little break. I'm just going to go ahead in and prep them for the clear gel polish. I really hope that I'm explaining all of this well and that y'all are enjoying this video and learning things from this video. That is what this channel is about. I want to teach y'all things that I learned when I was in cosmetology school and things that I have learned along the way from making mistakes. Let me know down in the comments, have y'all ever thought or tried a Russian manicure? I know I did one on myself previously, and when I had took the acrylic off, I was like, yeah, my nails looking a little busted. Let's try doing one of those again. I'm going to dust all that debris and yuckiness off. And then I'm going to take my lint-free wipe and I'm going to spray it with some alcohol and start the prepping process for this clear gel polish. Now, I use alcohol to wipe down all my nails to remove any other excess oils that I might not have got off with buffing my nails. You want to do that because then if you don't, it leaves room for your gel to separate. And guess what? That's not going to be cute. It's not going to be cute. It's going to be all bubbly looking and no. Now, this gel polish that I'm going to be using, the Koopa gel polish, y'all, I thought I never needed that gel polish. Y'all, I just thought my little gel polish that I was using before this was the shit. Y'all, until I met this. This will give your nails a whole different type of shine and it lasts. No dulling. Starting with my thumb, I'm going to start off by painting my little nubs. Because yes, they are nubs now because they like to break off and stuff like that. That's why I usually like to keep the acrylic nails on because my nails be breaking so easily. Now, I know everybody who's watching this video, y'all see that nasty little cut on my finger. Y'all, I got into a damn tussle with some scissors trying to open that glue. The word for today is never give up. Just like how I did try to open that damn glue and almost cut my finger off. Okay, enough for me rambling because I know I can be here all day long. But if y'all like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if y'all have any questions or concerns, make sure y'all put them in the comments down below. And I'm going to see y'all in my next one. Bye.